How to make your name invisible on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily make your name invisible on Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from here, you could just go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once landed on your profile page, you have an option to edit your profile. So just tap on edit profile, and then from here on your name section, you could just tap on it. And then as you can see, you can only change a name twice within 14 days. So all you have to do is remove all of this and then tap on done, and it will ask you if you're sure that you want to change a name because you could only change it twice within 14 days. Now tap on change name, and as you can see, your name has been completely removed from your Instagram profile. However, you are not able to remove your username because your username is a unique identity that defines your profile, so you are not able to remove it. However, you can also change it, but it has to be unique and no one else on Instagram should have it. So make sure that uh, your username is unique if you're trying to change it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.